Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Wartime Whistles, where we talk about military history, rail fanning, and news in the Sonic the Hedgehog franchise. I'm Tyler, your host. In this documentary we're going to be talking about the Buffalo and Susquehanna Railroad Trestle, which spanned Caneadea Gorge. This was a high 170-foot steel bridge in Allegheny County, New York, connecting Pennsylvania cornfields to Buffalo, and it operated from 1906 to 1916, so it was a very short time that the Buffalo and Susquehanna came through the area. The bridge was dismantled in the 1940s, and its steel parts were allegedly sunk by a German U-boat while being shipped to the Netherlands for reconstruction during World War II. And this was during the Battle of the Atlantic, because this happened in the Atlantic Ocean during the Atlantic Theater. So the B&O did not use this specific line long after abandonment. Rather, it was sold to a new company and quickly abandoned, so they too did not use it for long. While other B&S segments in Pennsylvania were acquired by the B&O. So the B&S used the line and the trestle to transport coal from Pennsylvania to Buffalo. The bridge spanned Caneadea Gorge near Caneadea, New York, and Rushford, New York. This bridge spanned right where Rushford Lake is located. Rushford Lake is a man-made lake. It originally was the towns of East Rushford and Colicville before it was flooded after the Caneadea Dam was built in 1929. The bridge was located not far from there. So reports indicate the bridge was taken down and sold in pieces for use in the Netherlands during the 1940s. But the vessel transporting the steel was sunk by a German U-boat in the Atlantic Theater during the Battle of the Atlantic in World War II. The specific Wellsville to Buffalo line, which included the trestle, was sold to the Wellsville and Buffalo Railway and abandoned in 1916. The B&O purchased the remaining separate core B&S line in 1929-1932, but not this abandoned section. The B&O had a grade in Gainesville called the Gainesville Hill Grade, and that part of the line is still there today. You can still see it, but the tracks are gone. Same with the DL and W, and the B&S is still there, but same thing, tracks are gone. I do not live very far from there. Over the summer when I go to the lake house, we will go and take a tour of the former B&S line that ran through Caneadea and went across the Caneadea Gorge. So in the Rushford Caneadea area, the B&S operated a line and depot built in 1905-1906 to move freight and passengers, specifically running through the region between Wellsville and Buffalo. As a matter of fact, there is a photo of the depot and the bridge on Facebook, which is pretty cool. I've seen that photo. The depot is now on private property, but it was the Rushford Depot. Caneadea did have a depot, but it was the Rushford Depot. Unfortunately, the line was notoriously unprofitable due to high construction costs and competition with other railroads. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notifications bell. And please follow me on X at TailsNameyHQ. See you in the next one.